In this video, I'll show you how to add your site to ClickBank. You need to sign up for a ClickBank account. Just fill out the form. Try using a username that reflects your product. Tick that box. Agree to the terms. If the username is not available, you have to choose another one. Click Submit. Please check your email and click the link to complete the process. Now you need to link your buy button to your ClickBank account. Log into your WordPress site. Go to Posts. Click Edit. And click on Buy area. This is the link you need. Replace the access with your ClickBank ID. My ClickBank ID is 24 eCovers. And insert Buy area. Click on Update. It's the time to add your product to ClickBank. Log into ClickBank. Go to Account Settings. Click on My Site. Click on Edit. And choose the main product, the main category for your product, and a subcategory. The hoplink target URL is the URL of your home page. Copy the URL and paste it in here. Enter the title and description of your product. The commission is 50%. Save changes. Go to My Products. I'll add a standard product. Click on Add a new product. Tick the boxes that apply. In my case, it's software. Leave the item number as 1. Add your squeeze page URL. Copy the URL and paste it here. The product price is $17. Enter product title and then save changes. See you in the next video.